This is just some of the devastation caused by the 7.7 magnitude earthquake that hit Myanmar on March 28, 2025. The epicenter is only 17 kilometers or about 6 miles away from Mandalay, a major city home to about 1.5 million people. The earthquake occurred within the Sigang Fault, which is known to be an active seismic zone because, as you can see, this is at the boundary of where the Indian Plate collides with the Eurasian Plate. My heart goes out to the people of Myanmar and the surrounding regions as they recover from this event.